everyone, this is Eric at Galloway Precision. We're going to do an install of our Richland trigger for the Yeet Cannon. This is the, I guess, new 9mm, kind of fancier one they've got. Love them, hate them. They are what they are. They work well as long as you feed them anything but steel cased. Has been the experience I've seen with them. They are blowback operated and kind of ugly, but you know, they still need some love just like everything else. We had a lot of requests for a rat rod trigger. Unfortunately, guys, that's just a done deal because there's so many different versions of these guns out here now, so that's why we're focused this one on the most popular one. I don't believe it'll work in any of the carbines. So far no one has really said it has, and we don't have any of them and really don't have any interest in getting any new ones out, because these are sort of a niche one that we do more for fun for folks than we do for like a standing product. The new trigger will come in the standard colors we offer. There's also in a little bag here a very small roll pin. If you can see that. Anyway, that goes in the trigger bar pivot, okay? It's what attaches it. To get this apart, you know, first of course make sure it's empty. Take your safety off. Alright, it's empty. Dingity bangity, all that stuff, alright? Now, take your 1/8 inch Allen right side panel, pop that off. I'm going to go ahead and grab this mag disconnect. The trigger won't work without it, you know, because it's safe. It doesn't have a magazine in it. Take your 1/8 inch or 1/16 inch punch, and you can just push. Maybe you have to tap with a hammer, depends on how tight yours is from factory. Pull the pin out. Keep it. You're going to keep using it. Now you're going to pull this guy out, sort of wobble him, and he'll fall right out just like that, okay? He falls right out the bottom. Now this is our trigger. I don't even know where the factory one is, to be honest with you. This profile that's cut into it is your post-travel stop, so there's no adjustments on this screw. You're going to knock the factory pin out. You won't reuse it. Install your trigger return spring in a little pocket that's machined right here. You can just see the top of it where this arm is. Spring's directly underneath there. Get your pin started, put the spring in, put this in, and then you're just going to knock it flat, okay? That's how straightforward it is. There's no real tricks to it. These are all going to be the same on that aspect. So take it, slide it back through like this. Alright. We have to have something to help guide the back of it up just a little bit. Okay. Take you like an 050 Allen. And you can sort of line that dude up. Put your pin in there. Push it flat, okay? That's pretty much it. If you're going to reuse this guy, this is when you put him back in, right? Slide this back on. Now you have a performance trigger of your color choice that you don't have to adjust. You get a shorter stroke just because we limit some of the post-travel. The system doesn't need that these have kind of a lot of. This still has a mag disconnect in it. If it had a magazine in it, it would work like it's supposed to. If you leave it in, or you can take it out. I don't know if folks remove them. I hope that's helpful. These are pretty straightforward. Not a lot to them. Pretty quick install. If you guys have any questions, you can email us at tech@gallowayprecision.com. I hope you guys enjoyed it and enjoy the Yeet Cannon upgrade, because it is actually kind of a nice upgrade for this little gun. Alright, as always, be safe, be careful, be accurate. God bless.